following items are needed: propeller front left, propeller front right, screws, propeller axis, propeller rubber, Loctite 270, Allen screwdriver. Untighten the screw using the provided Allen screwdriver. In order not to damage the screw head, please make sure to attach the screwdriver perpendicularly. Remove the spinner. Dispose the used screws. Remove the propeller rubber. If the rubber shows any damages, dispose it. Remove the propeller axis and the propeller blades. Put the axis aside. Dispose the propeller blades. Mount the new right propeller blades on the right motor using the propeller axis. Reattach the rubber. Insert a new screw into the spinner with the help of the provided Allen screwdriver. Apply Loctite 270 to the thread of the new screw. Attach the spinner to the motor. Tighten the screw using the provided Allen screwdriver. Before completely tightening the screw, take care that the rubber is covered by the spinner and not trapped. Let the Loctite dry for 24 hours. Turn the motor slowly by hand and check for friction or irregular rotation. Lift both propeller blades by hand and check if the propeller blades are folded back into position. Please repeat all steps for the left propeller. Before the next flight, please take 2 pictures as shown below and send them together with the serial number of your main body to your reseller. Pay attention to the green and red colored markings. Please wait for the confirmation of your reseller before the next flight. Please check the airflow of the propellers. Assemble the Trinity outside, power it, do the pre-flight check, and arm the motors. For more information, visit our website.